Hey, it's Mark Ling here again, and in this video, it's optional, but I think that it helps in terms of if you're running Facebook ads and stuff like that, in terms of the trust factor. So this is something I recommend doing, but it's not essential, and that's signing up to get your own phone number and your own mailing address. So we'll go to evoicemail.net to set up a phone number. It's $5.95 a month, and click sign up. And you know what, you could use this on multiple websites, the same number, if you word things well. And what it does is it'll leave a message, and I'll give you a message that you can leave, and I'll just pay for 1 year. You don't have to do a year, you could just do it for whatever you want, really. Select country, USA. I want it to be a United States phone number. I could go anywhere I want in the USA. I'll just go Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That'll do. And then you just give it an email address to send it to. Support at uniquepublications.com. That's one of my support email addresses. That'll do. And then you can just write in your details and go through the payment method. So I'll just do that myself now, and then I'll click Start eVoicemail. Now that I've filled out those details, now it's asking me to pay with PayPal. That's because I selected PayPal, and it's accepted my payment. This is 108. That was for a year, I guess. I thought it said 67 before, but never mind. Anyway, so that's bought my 1 year's payment, and now it sends me back to here. And now you might be thinking, oh crap, this hasn't worked, it hasn't done anything, where's my details and stuff like that. Well, I've used them before, and I found that within one business day you end up getting an email with all your details, with your login details, and it's all set up, because they do it manually. But then once it's all set up, then you're able to create a voicemail, and anytime somebody rings that phone number, it'll play your voicemail message, and then it can go on to they can go on and leave a message, which gets sent as an audio file to the email address that you left. So essentially they're sending you an email via voice. Here's a sample message that I recommend that you say. You say something like, in my case, hi, it's this is if you want to personalize it directly to the product name. I'll show you how you can do it. If you want to make this available on multiple websites of yours, you'd word it slightly differently. But I would go something like this. Hi, it's Josh here from Great Life Happiness. Sorry, we are not available to take your call. For the fastest possible support from us, please use the Contact Us form on our website. If you have any issues with logging in, you may wish to try using the Forgot Password form on our website, which is on our Contact Us page. Okay, now this is from what I would use if it was if I was the merchant. So I'd probably word it slightly different as the affiliate. I would probably just leave that line out. Okay, so I just carry on. Alternatively, if you prefer to leave a voicemail message, please feel free to do so after the beep. Also, if possible, please provide us with at least 2 ways we can respond to you, such as your email address as well as your phone number, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day. And then the beep happens after that. So what I would do, the reason I do that is because generally if you do respond to anyone, normally you're going to email them back rather than phone or text message them. I'm not saying you have to respond to everybody. It's up to you. It's totally up to you as the affiliate. It's a bit different if you're the merchant, of course, but chances are it's a good idea that you do respond to people that message you, and you'll probably get very, very few contacting you, especially through the phone, as you're not the merchant, you're the affiliate. But it's good to be capable of answering those. Now, you might want to make it a bit more generic than Hyatt's name here from product name. You might just want to say something like, hello and thank you for visiting our website. Sorry, maybe not our website, might not be ideal. More like this. Hello and thank you for calling. Sorry we're not available to take your call right now. If you're hearing this message So you're probably, no, sorry, let me just write this out. Okay, I wrote a new one out here. This is if you want to make it generic. Like imagine if you want to set up 20 affiliate sites like this for different niches and different products, and you just want to use the same voicemail phone number. Well, here you go. Just use this. Hello, thank you for calling. If you are calling in relation to one of our websites or books, for the fastest possible support from us, please use the Contact Us form on our website. Alternatively, if you prefer to leave a voicemail message, please make sure to mention the website and product that you are asking about. Also, if possible, please provide us with at least 2 ways we can respond to you, such as your email address as well as your phone number, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day. And then the beep would happen there. Okay, so it's generic, but at least you've got a phone number now. People can leave a message, and it will get emailed to you, and it'll just get emailed to your inbox, whatever message that they say is voice, and you'll get it as an audio file that you can listen to. So anyway, that's it for the voicemail side. But what about a postal address? That's where myus.com comes in handy. I used this for a US postal address that'll actually, I mean, you could be in the US or you could be in another country, and it will automatically just forward stuff through to your country. In my case, if someone sends a letter to me at my US address, it'll send it through to my US will just collate them all, and on a Wednesday once a week they'll just post everything on to me over in New Zealand, and it does that at the lowest possible shipping prices. So it works out really, really good. If you want to sign up, you just click the sign up form, and what is the price? There we go, $7 a month. Okay, so it's $7 per month plus obviously any shipping fees that are applicable. That's all. Turns out to be really, really handy. I found it to be super handy, and that just means that you've got a postal address if you wish to leave one, both on your website itself and within your Facebook page. So you'd be able to go in here and leave an address. So in my case, my US address is has a street address, 4281 Express Lane, Suite L2521, Sarasota, Florida, zip code 34249. Customers visit my business at my street address. Unchecking this box will hide the address from your page. Great, but at least Facebook, unchecking it will hide it. Yes, definitely want to uncheck it, but at least it means that Facebook itself knows that I have an address of some kind, so that's great from Facebook's point of view. And now I can also add that address over onto my website. So I go over to the contact page. I could also put it on the About Us page if I feel like it. I'll probably put it on both. I could just go Edit Page, and below the Contact Us form, I can put this, if you prefer to send us, if you wish to send anything to us in the mail, please address it to, then you can either there we go, so that's it, 4281. I should probably just bring that into the same little section like that. And then for every address that you add to my US, it costs $20 US. You only have to pay it once, but I can add in as many names as I want. So I can go Great Life Happiness like that, and all I have to do at my US is log in and click on my account settings and then click add additional name, and it's just $20 one-off payment. So this will say Great Life Happiness like that, and then wherever the postal address is that it's going to forward that mailing onto if it goes there. And now I've done that, I clicked accept, I paid the $20, and now I've got an additional postal address that works, and it's even on, like I say, it's even on my contact us page. No one's going to send mail, but if they did, it's still going to get to me. It's still a real address. And I update that, and then I can also go to go back to the About Us page. This is just really good for if you get a human review as well. We can add the phone number to those pages too. There we go. I've already put it in there, didn't I? But I hadn't actually set it up yet, so I've set it up as Great Life Happiness like that. Okay, and there we go. Click update, and we're done. All right, so that's it for this particular